This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Undo both headlight retaining screws. Take care with the front screw because it is easy to drop. Ideally, remove it with a magnetic screwdriver. Lift up the tab and disconnect the wiring connector from the light unit. The light unit can now be removed from the vehicle. Peel away the plastic cover from the rear of the unit, disconnect the wiring plug and release the retaining spring clips. Pull out the bulb. Insert the new bulb, ensuring that the tabs align correctly, and secure it in position with the clip. Refit the wiring connector, then refit the plastic cover. Refit the headlight to the vehicle, and secure it by refitting and tightening the two retaining screws. Reconnect the wiring plug.